Good morning, all. Today's our topic is adverse drug effect. Adverse effect is any undesirable or unintended consequences of a drug administration. It is a broad term, includes all kinds of toxicious effect and trivial, severe, serious, or even fatal. For the purpose of detecting and quantifying only those adverse effects of a drug which are of some import and occur in ordinary therapeutic setting. The term adverse drug reaction ADR has been defined as any noxious change which is suspected to be due to a drug and occurs at does normally used in man required treatment or decrease in dose or indicates cautions in the future use of same drug. All drugs are capable of producing adverse effect, and uh, whenever a drug is given, a risk is taken. The magnitude of risk has to be considered along with the magnitude of acceptable therapeutic benefit in deciding whether to use or not to use a particular drug in a given patient. Now, adverse effects may develop promptly or only after prolonged medication or even after stoppage of drug. Adverse effects are not rare, and incidence of 10 to 25% has been documented in different clinical settings. Now, predictable reaction. These are based on the pharmacological property of a drug, and which means that they are augmented but qualitative normal response to the drugs. Unpredictable reaction. These are based on uh, peculiarities of the patients and not or drugs non-action. Include allergy and idiosyncrasy. These are less common, often non-dose related. Now, severity of adverse drug reaction has been declared as uh, minor, no therapy, antidote, or a prolongation of the hospitalization is required, and moderate required changes in drug therapy and specific treatment or prolonged hospital stay to at least 1 day. Severe, potentially life-threatening, causing uh, permanent damage or required intensive medical treatment, and later uh, directly or indirectly contribution to death of the patient. And pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance has been defined by the WHO as the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect of the any drug. Now, pharmacovigilance is useful in educating doctors about ADRs and in the effect of official regulation of the drug use. The activity involves in pharmacovigilance are pharmaco, post-marketing surveillance, and other methods of ADR monitoring, such as a voluntary reporting by a doctor. Uh, then B. Uh, disseminations of ADR data through drug alerts, medical letters, and advisories sent to doctors by the pharmaceuticals and regulatory agencies. Changes in the labeling of a medicine, including restrictions, is used or statutory warnings and precaution and or even withdrawal of the drug. Now, the casualty assessment. When a patient undergoing drug therapy experience an adverse event, it may be due to the drug and or the disease or some other causes. Now, temporary relationship, how to the time sequences of the event. Right. Now, previous knowledge whether the drug is known to the produce the event of earlier recipients, and decalation whether the event subsided on stopping the drug, and recollege, recollege whether the event uh, repeated when the drug went administered again. Now, definite casualty in prevent probably through not proven possible drug as well as through the causes, and doubtful drug unlikely to be the causes but cannot be ruled out. Prevention of uh, adverse effect of the drug. There is avoid all inappropriate use of the drug, use appropriate dose, route and frequency, elicit and take into the consideration previously elicit history of the allergic disease and exercise, rule out possibility of the drug interactions, adopt a correct drug administrations, carry out uh, appropriate laboratory monitoring. Now, side effects. These are unwanted but often unavoidable pharmacodynamic effect that occurs at the therapeutic doses. A side effects may be based on the same action and the therapeutic effect. The side effects may also be based on a different facet of action. An effect may be therapeutic in one context but side effects in another context. Now, secondary effects. These are indirect consequences of a primary action of the drug. Now, toxic effect. These are the results of excessive pharmacological actions of the drug due to the overdose or prolonged use, and overdose may be absolute. Another actions of the drug can be responsible for the morphine causes respiratory failure and overdose. Imipramine overdose causes cardiac arrhythmia, and streptomycin causes vestibular damage or on use. Now, poisoning in a broad sense, poisoning implies harmfulness effect of a chemical on a biological system, and which distinguish a drug from the poison. Poison is a substance which elongates life by severely affecting one or more vital functions. Now, reconstruction and maintenance of a vital function ensure a patient airway adequate ventilation, maintain blood pressure, and maintain body temperature, maintain blood sugar. Termination of the exposure by removing the patient to fresh air, washing the skin and eyes, induction of the emesis with the syrup, impact of gastric lavage. Now, prevention of the absorption of the ingestion poisoning. Suspension of 20 to 40 gram of activated uh, charcoal, which has a large surface area and can absorb many chemical, should be administered into 20 ml. Now, hastening elimination of the poisoning by inducing diuretics or altered urinations. Now, intolerance. It is the appearance of the characteristic toxic effects of drugs. Now, idiosyncrasy. It is genetically determination of the abnormal reactivity to the chemical. The drug allergy. It is an immunological mediated reaction producing the effect. Now, the duration. This is the also called drug hypersensitivity, but those not refer to increased response, which is called supersensitivity. Now, mechanism and types of the allergic reaction. Humoral, uh, Reagenic antibodies are produced which get fixed to the mast cell. There is a type 1, type 2, and type 3. The cell-mediated reaction, these are mediated through the production of a sensitized the T lymphocytes carrying receptors for the AG. Now, treatment of the drug allergy, the offending drug must be immediately stopped the most mild reaction by the themselves and do not require specific treatment. Put the patient reclining positioning. Inject adrenaline. Administrative antihistaminic. Antiviral glucocorticoids. This kind of drug given to the as a treatment. Adrenal followed by the short courses of the glucocorticoids. The skin test is or intranasal test may perform in the case of the type 1. There is a drug and it is a effect of it. You can see in the table. Now for photosensitivity is the cutaneous reaction resulting from the drug sensitization of the skin to the ultraviolet radiation. Phototoxic drug or the metabiotic accumulates the skin, absorbs lights and undergoes a photochemical reaction. Now photoallergic drug or its metabolite includes a cell-mediated immune response which on the exposure light and longer wave lights. Drug dependence, drug capable of alteration modes of the feeling the liable receptor use the driven euphoria. Now those psychological dependence, it is said to have developed when the individual believe that optimal state of the well-being is achieved only through the action of the drug. The subject feels emotionally distressed if the drug is not taken. The reinforcement is the ability of the drug to the produce effect that use enjoy. The physical dependence, it is the altered physiological state produced by the repeated administration of the drug. Now drug abuse refers to the use of the drug to the self-medication in a manner and amount that deviate from the approved medical and social pattern. Now the drug addiction. It is the pattern of the compulsive drug use characterized by the overwhelming involvement with the use of the drug. Now drug habituation, it denotes less intensive involvement of the drug. Now drug withdrawal reaction. Apart from the drug that the usually recognized as the producing dependence, sudden interruptions of the therapy. Now the teratogency, it refers to the capacity of the drug causes fetal abnormalities and the administrative of the pregnant mother. Now this is the drug can be effect on the fetus in the fertilization and implantation, organogenesis and growth and the development. The drug effect on during the pregnancy. This is the table of risk category of the drug during the pregnancy. Now the drug induced diseases. These are also called iatrogenic and physical induced disease and the functional disturbance caused by the drug with the persist even after the offending drug have the large elements.